stop guessing on the file you are attempting to preview could harm your computer. Error. This is exactly how you beat it without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or just plain wrong because they tell you to disable your antivirus. But that won't work since this is a built-in security block triggered by the 2025 Windows Security Update. Before we enter the settings, you need to understand the logic, or you'll just get stuck again with empty preview panes on every file you download. Rexis is here to fix your workflow, because we are doing this hand in hand and step by step, so you cannot fail. To fix a single file, right-click it, select Properties, and check the Unblock box at the bottom of the General tab. But here's the secret trick other creators missed. You can unblock every file in a folder at once by opening PowerShell as an administrator and type in the command dir, followed by your folder path and a pipe to unblock file. This is a dopamine moment where hours of manual clicking vanish in a single second. If you want a permanent fix, you need to navigate the registry to hky_current_user, then Software, Microsoft, Windows, and finally Policies. Create a new key named Attachments and add a D-word value called Save Zone Information, set to 1. Rexis knows that this prevents Windows from tagging your downloads as untrusted in the first place, restoring your preview pane for good. If you want the fix for corrupted PDF handlers or the next File Explorer speed hack, drop a comment below. The answer to your preview problem is simply clearing that mark of the web tag, so Windows knows you're the boss of your own files.